Hi everyone, welcome to our channel where we simplify the law for you. Today we are diving into a question that sparks a lot of confusion and debate. Is a divorce done among family members considered legally valid? This is a common myth, especially in India, where family involvement in marital matters is deeply rooted. We'll uncover the reality, break down the legal requirements for a divorce, and discuss whether family opinions play any role in its legality. Stick around till the end for some recent updates and essential tips for anyone dealing with this situation. Before we dive deeper, here's a quick overview of what we'll cover. First, divorce must follow a legal process in court. 2. Family involvement does not replace the legal requirement. 3. Divorce by mutual consent requires agreement from both spouses, not family members. 4. Recent case laws and updates on this topic. Now, let's explore these points in detail. Let's start with the foundation. What makes a divorce legally valid? In India, a divorce is only considered valid if it follows the proper legal process. The Hindu Marriage Act of 1955, for instance, outlines specific grounds for cruelty, adultery, and desertion, and mutual consent. Both spouses must file a petition in the court. Simply declaring a divorce at a family meeting or signing a paper in front of relatives does not hold legal weight. Even if both families agree, the couple must approach the court to finalize their separation. A notable case is Rita Nijwan versus Balkrishnan Nijwan, clarified that a decree by the court is mandatory for dissolution of marriage, irrespective of family consensus. Family opinions do not dictate legality. But what does the family involvement play? In Indian culture, families often mediate or even dictate decisions about marriage and divorce. While their opinions might influence personal choices, they do not determine the legality of a divorce. Courts decide divorce cases based on law, not family agreement. For example, in Kanchan versus Kamaljeet, the court emphasized that family consent is irrelevant if the legal criteria for divorce are met. Even if the entire family is against divorce, it won't prevent the court from granting it, provided the grounds are valid. Mutual consent in divorce. Does mutual consent include family members? No. Mutual consent refers to the agreement between two spouses. Under Section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act, both partners must agree to dissolve the marriage. Family members may support or oppose, but their opinions are not required for the court to process the divorce. For instance, in Amardeep Singh versus Harvind Kaur, the Supreme Court highlighted that mutual consent ensures a smoother legal process, but family involvement is optional and non-binding. What should you do if your rights are overlooked? Feeling stuck due to family pressure? Here's what you can do. First, consult a lawyer. An experienced family lawyer can guide you through your rights and the legal process. 2. File a petition in court. If you or your spouse agree to separate, approach the court directly. 3. Seek protection orders. If family pressures escalate into harassment or threats, courts can provide protection. 4. Counseling or mediation. Sometimes a neutral third party can help resolve conflicts without undue family influence. Remember, the law protects individual autonomy. No one can force you to stay in or leave a marriage against your will. Let's take a look at some recent developments. First, Sarla Munkal versus Union of India. The Supreme Court clarified that marriages and divorce must adhere to respective personal laws. It rejected the idea of a marriage being dissolved outside legal procedures, reinforcing the necessity of court intervention. 2. Amardeep Singh versus Harvind Kaur. The Supreme Court held that 6-month waiting period for mutual consent divorce can be waived under certain circumstances, making the process quicker for those fulfilling the specific criteria. 3. Recent commentary by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud in 2022. He highlighted that marriage and divorce are personal matters and external pressures, including family interference, should not undermine individual autonomy. These cases underline the principle that divorces among family members alone without legal sanction hold no validity in India. To sum up, first, a divorce among family members without legal procedure is not valid. 2. The court is the ultimate authority to grant a divorce. 3. Family opinions hold no legal significance in this process. 4. Mutual consent is key, but it applies to the spouses, not their families. If you are navigating this journey, prioritize understanding your rights and seeking legal help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simplified legal insights. Have questions or personal experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video. Stay informed and know your rights. And remember, the law is here to protect you. Take care. Bye-bye.